See, I want you to bask in your feminine energy. You don't gotta be a gangster around me. Believe that. Baby, you can have it your way, your way. Welcome to your soft girl world. Welcome to your soft girl world. Baby, you can have it your way. Welcome to your soft girl world. Welcome to your soft girl world.
You gotta ask yourself this question. Why has God let me see all the stuff he's let me see? Why did God, out of all the people that could have saw this, that out of all the people that could have been in these rooms, that out of all the people that could have had these conversations, that out of all the people that could have been in proximity to this, why did I just randomly end up being exposed to what I've been exposed to? Is God exposing me to all this just to show me what he don't want to do?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is a little different kind of intro here. I am in a rush, but I wanted to make sure that I did make an intro. So hey y'all, my name is Sapphire. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back, girl. So your girl is about to go on a date, okay? And as a matter of fact, he is on the way. So I'm just trying to finish myself up, get myself together, pretty much ready. Your girl hasn't been on a date in a while, so I'm like, I feel like I'm scrambling a little bit. You know, my hair is what it is, but it's fine. It is fine. I am a natural woman, so you know, this is what comes with it. This is what comes with it, y'all. Okay, but it doesn't look too bad. It don't look too bad. Let me wash my hands. I actually smell really good too, so that's fine. I have on this Skims maxi dress, very, very simple. I'm going to wear, I have some black slides, or not slides, I have some black sandals, but I'm a little limited on my bags right now. And the bag that I do want to wear, I just don't want to wear all black. So I might just be throwing a little bit of black and brown tonight with gold accessories. To some people that might be a little bit weird, but I don't really trip over black and tans or black and browns and black and nudes, especially if it looks okay. And my outfit is pretty plain, so nothing too much can clash. Yeah, so that's just what it's gonna be tonight. Very relaxed, you know, a good evening, and I'm just excited because this is not our first, second, or third date. It's just, this is our first date coming back around to each other. So yeah, but we've always been friends. He's always been very respectful to me. I need to just like, look, that's all y'all gonna get right now, because yeah, let me finish getting ready, y'all, because he's on the way. Thank you, boo. Good morning, y'all. Today is a new day. Today is, I think it's Friday. I I don't know, the days be running so fast, the weeks be running so fast. But I'm about to go to the gym. It is currently 9:19 in the morning. I was supposed to be there like an hour ago. I don't know, I just been taking my time. I'm a little irritated actually right now. Nothing really happened, I'm just irritated. So I already know the time of the month is coming. It actually is. It's probably gonna be here in a few days, or if not tonight. So yeah. Oh, it's raining. That's why I'm irritated. Yeah, and it's the rain that's dark and gloomy. I don't know if my content is gonna come out right, so I'm thinking about that. I don't even know how I'm gonna do my content, so I'm thinking about that. So yeah, I'm just like, I need to get back in the groove. I'm just irritated. I need to like start getting the ball rolling, if that makes sense, before my period comes. Because if you know, you know, like once your period comes as a woman, you don't want to do nothing, like especially the gym. It's just so hard. Anyway, so today I'm wearing Honor Active. It is the Summer Brights collection. I'm a little nervous. I am not a Brights girl. It is a very cute outfit. So here's the shorts, very cute. Like I lost a good 5 pounds chilling. And they have pockets as well for your phone. I'm not a colorful girl. I'm not a bright girl. So I'm just trying to get used to it. I would probably love it if it was black or gray or something. Yeah, so let me finish getting ready, you guys, and let's head to the gym. I don't want to wait any longer. So I will see y'all there.
Yeah, da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, Let's go. Oh, what should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just an enemy, hard for just a friend, just a friend. Me nah lie, me love me family, but me not trust you all of them. All of them might sound fuck up, but that's how me feel. Big up and rule, cause up a sunny kneel. All of me long time brother from Teachfield. Long time picture them a whole heap on the battlefield. Some of them are filled with grudge. My dogs are the realest dogs, and my heart clean, filled with love. And me meditation sharp like studs. Dangerous skull, even them send me say the whole of them a miss. Go for the Psalms, them a send for the chalice. Them does a watch me like a radio analyst. But me unstoppable, remember me tell you this. In the music I'm like a fucking senator. Them are the fucking janitor. None of my link no regular. Mad sick, head no good like predator. What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just an enemy, hard for just a friend, just a friend. Me nah lie, me love me family, but me not trust you all of them. Full of them, my town fuck up, but that's how me feel. Big up and rule, cause up a sunny kneel. All of me long time brother from Teachfield. Long time picture them a whole heap on the battlefield. Some of them are filled with grudge. My dogs are the realest dogs, and my heart clean, filled with love. And me meditation sharp like studs. Thank God I'm blessed, so bad man can't defeat me. Every day just around me. When me cry out in mirror my plea, yeah. Some girl work every day till them need them not. Some can't manage depression but turn bankrupt. Some man sit down and now hope sufferation stop. Too much get a youth a fall for the system trap. Umbria from me little bit, me go feel where me want. No man a reap from the seed, no where me plant. Sleepless days, sleepless nights. One leap a rough road when we walk through. No man a win in advance. Dirty bad man, you no stand a chance. Me and Dre skull collect the check them, then them see the few black be my pass. Anyhow, what should you tell when you are buying new? Be my careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just your enemy, hard for just your friend. Just your friend. Me nah lie, me love me family, but me not just you all of them. All of them, my town fuck up, but that's how me feel. Big up and rule, cause up a sunny kneel. All of me long time brother from Teachfield. Long time picture them a whole heap on the battlefield. Some of them are filled with grudge. My dogs are the realest dogs, and my heart clean, filled with love. And me meditation sharp like studs.
Hey y'all, so let me take this off. Well, I look like a peanut head now. Okay, so I just finished my workout. I didn't finish everything my workout, honestly, because I think my period is about to come. I'm tired. If this is one lesson I'll teach you guys, anybody else trying to get in their fitness journey, do not push it, don't force it, or nothing. If you're tired, it's okay. Even the most athletic person or most advanced person who trains has to take a break too, you know? So we're all human, we all have our own journey, and it's okay. And right now I did all of my workout. I did just about everything except for one exercise. Excuse me, I'm trying to catch my breath. So yeah, that's it. I'm probably gonna go home and stretch and call it a day, y'all. So this might complete the vlog, and if it doesn't, then you guys will see something else after this. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, so I finally got my food. I'm back from the gym. So this is what it looks like, what my food looks like right now. And I got a, what did I get? I got a big boy wrap from Clean Eats, and I added red onions to it. And I want to say I added extra protein. I added shrimp. I don't remember. Maybe I didn't. It's so big. Okay, big boy. It's messy too, but this is it. It's my first bite. I got sweet potato fries, and I got a smoothie. No, this is too messy for me. I haven't been cooking lately, y'all, and I really haven't meal prepped. Like, I don't remember the last time I even meal prepped. I used to go through my cousin's meal prep services, She still has it available. Her business is called Simone's Kitchen. It's Simone's Kitchen on Instagram as well, so you guys can follow. Well, her business is located in the Raleigh area, Raleigh, North Carolina. You can also get her meal preps at the Bridge Hub, or the Bridge. Yes, the Bridge here in Raleigh. I really want to get back into cooking, and a part of me feels like YouTube might give me that, me creating videos and me trying to be consistent, or me wanting to be consistent on YouTube will allow me to also be consistent in other areas. That's what I'm looking for. So hopefully I can get back into the love of cooking again. I don't know, life. And then for anyone who is a gym rat like me, you just want your food to be ready. As soon as you get out the gym, you want it to be ready. As soon as you get out of the shower, you're ready to eat. You don't want to sit and slave behind the stove, or even if it's 20 minutes, you don't want to have to make anything. We do it, but that has been my downfall, I guess. Let me see how this tastes. Oh, this is good. I wasn't expecting that. And this is chocolate, y'all. This is it's either peanut butter and chocolate. I'm gonna figure it out, but it's definitely chocolate in here. That tastes really good. I was not expecting it to taste like that. Whatever that thing is on my tongue, yeah, they need to keep that. I'm about to get a fork. Matter of fact, I already see myself not eating this for real. I'm sorry, y'all. This is so unattractive, but the girl eats down, okay? There's no shame in my game. I eat. I'm not one of them cute girls. Perhaps a salad, perhaps not. Am I the only one that starts eating their burrito like it's a plate once the burrito starts to break? Because I can't do it. I can't. So yeah, y'all, I am about to finish my food. I'm probably gonna get some downtime in. I am a little tired. I think the time of the month is coming. I already know it's on the way. So I'm about to get some downtime in. My pastor is about to call me in a couple hours, so I'll probably put on a movie and just relax. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Excuse me, that's not cute. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next one.